And for all of you who brought your kids, you owe them at least an ice cream cone on the way home, some reward for being here. Look, Tara, you're doing the most important work in America, teaching our kids. I've often said, they're not somebody else's kids, they're all our kids. They're the kite strings that lift our national ambitions aloft. Without you, we're in real trouble. I'm not saying this because I'm married to a teacher, but I have to admit, if I weren't saying it, married to a teacher, if I won, I'd be sleeping in the Lincoln bedroom alone. Look, everything that will be possible for our country tomorrow is thanks to the hard work of our educators today, and they're operating under extraordinary circumstances. Because you're giving kids here in Buck County the confidence to believe in themselves. It all gets down to confidence. We were talking before we came out, and maybe I shouldn't say this, but I think Jill's second grade teacher is here. I bet every one of you can remember who your first, second, third, fourth, fifth grade teachers were. And what they do, when they do it well and they do it well, is give you a sense of confidence, give you a sense of your possibilities. And I want to thank two great county commissioners. Diane, you've done an incredible job turning things blue last year. And Bob, I want to thank you all.
Finally, Joe Biden appears to take the correct approach to China. And if you disagree, remember to put comments in the question-answer section for this lecture. So, the correct approach to China, rallying allies against predatory trade practices and intellectual property theft, while taxing the carbon content of imported goods in order to encourage China to pollute less. Now, all this is great, fine, well and dandy, but one troubling part of Joe Biden's plan is his commitment to have the government buy $400 billion worth of US-made goods. Domestic procurement orders can have positive effects, such as when technology companies can use government contracts to gain sufficient scale and know-how to compete in international markets. But Joe Biden's plan also proposes to have the US government buy domestically made concrete, building materials, and other products. This is a problem. Why? I'll deal with that in the next lecture.
The twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes